Welcome to Tech Programming CSIT. Very good evening to all our viewers for joining with us. You all have connected with us through our YouTube channel. So welcome to today's session. How animation can be used in teaching and learning process. So let us see how animation can be used in education field. Animation is a powerful tool that can be used in education to engage students and teach complex concepts by breaking down information into manageable chunks and visually representing it. Animation can help students understand difficult topics and retain information more effectively. Animation can be used to explain abstract concepts, demonstrate complex processes, and provide visual aid for learners. It can also be used to create interactive learning experiences that encourage students' participation and engagement. Animated videos are a great way to make learning more fun and engaging. They can be used to create educational content that is both informative and entertaining. Animations can also be used to create memorable characters that help students remember key concepts. In addition, animations can be used to create simulations that allow students to explore real-world scenarios in a safe and controlled environment. They can be particularly useful for teaching subjects like science, engineering, and medicine. Overall, animation is a versatile tool that can be used in many different ways to enhance the learning experience. Whether you are teaching young children or adult learners, animation can help you create an engaging educational content that is both interactive and entertaining. Animations can also be used to facilitate the communication and presentation of information, ideas, and arguments, both by teachers and students, using various formats such as videos, infographics, comics, cartoons, etc. Animation can also be used to support the development of creativity, innovation, and digital literacy skills among students, as they can learn how to design, product, and share their own animations using various tools and platforms. Animation can also be used to promote the diversity and inclusion of students, and they can explore and express their own identities, cultures, and perspectives through animation, and appreciate the differences and similarities among them. Animation can also be used to create interactive and immersive learning environments, such as simulations, games, virtual reality, and augmented reality. They can foster active learning, collaboration, and problem-solving skills among students. So let us see some tools for animation. Some tools for animation are Adobe Animate, Blender, Scratch, Flipperclip, Toon Boom Harmony. These tools can be used by students and teachers as well to create animations using different techniques such as frame by frame, twinning, 3D modeling, and coding. So let us see how you can create animated video for your own class. There are many tools available online that can be used, that can be helpful, and it can be used to create animated videos for your class. One such tool is Animaker, which is a DIY video making platform that helps even beginners creating fascinating animated videos quickly and easily. You can use Animaker to create educational videos that can be both informative and engaging. So let us see steps to create animated video using Animaker. So first of all, you have to create an account. Visit the Animaker website and create an account if you do not have. Next point is choose a template. Once you log in, you will be taken to the dashboard. You can choose from a variety of pre-built templates that are designed for educational purposes. Next step is you can customize the template. Once you have selected a template, you can customize it by adding text, images, characters, and other elements to your video. Next step is to add animations. You can add animations to your videos by using the built-in animation tools in Animaker. Next step is to add music. You can also add music to your video by selecting from the library of royalty-free music tracks. So many music tracks are already available in Animaker. Next step is to preview and download. So after you have created your video, you can preview it to make sure everything looks good. If you are satisfied with your result, you can download it and share it with your class. Other tools that can be used to create animated videos are Canva. So I've already created many videos related to Canva. You can watch it online. These tools offer a range of features and templates that help you to create engaging educational videos for your class. Animation and VFX are powerful tools that can help enhance creativity in various ways. Here are some ways you can use animation and VFX to boost your creativity. First is visualize your ideas. Animation and VFX can help you visualize your ideas in a more creative and engaging way. You can use animation to create storyboards, short clips, or even short movies to bring your ideas to life. Experiment with different styles. Animation and VFX allows you to experiment with different styles and techniques. You can try out different animation styles such as 2D, 3D, stop motion, or hand-drawn animation to find the one that best suits your creative vision. Next point is to create immersive environments. With VFX, you can create immersive environments that transport your audience to different worlds. You can use VFX to create realistic landscape, creatures, or even entire cities. Next point is you can add special effects. Special effects can add an extra layer of creativity to your work. You can use VFX to add explosions, fire, smoke, or other special effects to your animation or films. Next is you can collaborate with others. Animation and VFX are collaborative mediums that require teamwork and communication. Collaborating with other artists and animators can help you generate new ideas and push your boundaries of creativity. Learn new skills. Learning new animation and VFX skills can help you expand your creative horizons. You can take online courses or tutorials to learn more techniques and software programs. Remember, creativity is a process that requires practice and experimentation. By using animation and VFX in your work, you can explore new ideas and push the boundaries of your creativity. How we can animate text one letter at a time in MS PowerPoint. How we can add text animation to our slide. So suppose here we want that only one letter should appear at a time. First letter, then second letter, then third letter. So we want that it should appear letter by letter. Or if we want to add animation so that one word should appear at a time. So how to do this? Let us see in this video. So let us create a slide. You can type anything. Here I have written free online summer camp. Now I want to add text animation to it. So first go to animation tab. Now here you can see there are many effects. So here you can choose any effect. I am choosing appear. Now click on animation pane. There is option animation pane. In the right side animation pane window will appear. Now here when you will click on drop down menu, you can see the option effect options. So click on that. Now in front of animate text you can see the option all at once, by word, by letter. So first we will choose by word. Then click on OK. Now we can see the preview how it works. So here one word will appear at a time. First word, then second word will appear, then third word will appear, and so on. Now in the same way we can add text animation. We can animate the text letter by letter. So when we click on the option letter by letter, then click on OK, then you can see the preview. Also you can adjust the duration. You can adjust the time duration. If you want to increase or decrease the time so that how it appears. So here I am decreasing the time to 2 seconds. Now we can preview it again. Let us see how we can change costume and animate our sprite in Scratch. So we can animate our sprite by changing the costume of the sprite. So in Scratch every sprite has its own costumes. Every sprite has multiple costumes. This sprite has 2. Click on costumes to check the number of costumes of the sprite. Go to the code section and drag next costume. So by clicking the next costume, you can change the costume of the sprite. To keep going, you can click on the repeat block. Then drag wait for 1 second to make it slow down. Here you can decrease the time, change it to 0.3 seconds. If you want to show a specific costume, then you can use switch costumes and then select the costume. So in this way we can animate our sprite. Keep playing with the different code blocks. Let's see how we can create story using Scratch. We can create our own stories. You can use Scratch to tell a story. We can build our own characters and add the dialogues, create a conversation, switch between the scenes, or do whatever else you can imagine. To get started, let us pick a background. Here I will choose which house. You can choose any background which you like. Now let us pick up a sprite. Here I am choosing the wizard. Let us have our character say something. I will have my character say, "Welcome to Magic School." I would like to add another character. So let us choose another sprite. This time I will choose the elf. It looks like the elf isn't facing the wizard. So let us change the direction of the sprite. Let's go to the costume tab and choose the flip horizontal. So now you can change the direction of the sprite. So the costume is now flipped to face the wizard. Now let us make the story more interesting. Let's make a conversation. I will add block say for 2 seconds. Here I will add the text, "I am going on a quest." Let's click the green flag to see what happens. They both speak at the same time. So let's go ahead and add a wait block before the elf speak. So we will wait the other sprite for some seconds so that the first sprite can speak completely. Let's have the characters change scenes. Now here we will change the scene. I will add another background. This time I will choose mountain. So here I have changed the background. Now I will select the elf sprite again and I will go to the coding area. So now we will code the elf sprite again. Wait for a second, which is how long the conversation is, and then switch to the mountain background. Finally, what if we don't want the wizard to be in the mountain scene? So we want to delete the wizard from this mountain scene. We want only elf sprite to be there. So let's go back to the wizard sprite, select the wizard and add when backdrop switches to backdrop 1. Let's try it out. It looks good, isn't it? Now let us replay the project. So let us see how it looks. The wizard doesn't show up at all. That's because we have hidden it. So we need to add a show block at the top of the sprite so that whenever someone replays the project, the wizard will show first. Click the green arrow to see this code again and explore what else you might add to your story. I hope you like this video. Do give your valuable suggestions and write in the comment box on which topic you want us to make video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.